It's another serious day at work. Yes, this is where we are. Every day, all day. Being a cattle farmer is not a day job. It's not what you just start and then you become an allergy. No, it takes time, takes a lot of work, a lot of journey from one stage to the other. You move from 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8, sometimes 4 back to 2, like that. There will be a lot of challenges on the way, challenges from disease, from mortality that you cannot explain, because sometimes you just come to you can see a healthy cow in the morning and you come in the evening, the cow is no longer healthy. That's why it is important that you do your routine check, that you do day-to-day check or a quality of health, and you don't have to wait for your animal to be sick before you start your treatment. So I'm just here to check my cattle. They just came back from grazing. These ones are breeding stocks. They are breeding stocks. Like I've been trying to tell us, we are moving towards relocating all our animals from Benue State for many reasons. Actually, one of it is market availability, and a lot of issues that we cannot explain now. So when we bring new stocks from Benue State, we don't take them directly to the main farm. These cows were in a different tropical region before, so when we come back up north here, we quarantine them for a while, and in the process of quarantine, we take them for grazing for some time, maybe a month, before they are integrated into our intensive system. So you're welcome to join us in the business if you have the mind. Yes, sir, because our money will finish. 2 years, you still put money, you never cash out. So that's how it is. Thank you, and I remain your humble host, Abajon Idibia.